Yes. Now, many of you know this famous saying, it's by Charles Darwin. And he has said that it is not the strongest of the species that survives, and not the intelligent. It's basically those are responsive to change. And when I see myself, I don't see myself as like a talented person or intelligent person, but one thing I definitely see in myself is someone who can adapt, and who can change, and who can look after the opportunity and see what are the things actually needed to make that opportunity, or be successful in that opportunity, and make those things happen, make the actions happen, so that results will happen. So same thing I encourage all of you to do, uh, doesn't matter whether you feel that whether you are intelligent or not, or whether you see the opportunities there or not, or whether you feel yourself strong or not. It's all about making the right changes in yourself, so that when the opportunity will show up, you are there with the right skills and experience, and the opportunity is there, you will achieve the success. So today's session is not about how you can chase. It's all about attraction, how you can attract. And that is the reason I'm going to share with you something simple, and which is really powerful, which has worked for me. That is the attract method. The attract method.